Pwede na, pwede na namin siya i-train up.
Nasa Pinas yung student.
Happy birthday to you. Okay, ready? Sing. Birthday niya na mag-update ka lang, pwede na ka mag-piso. Sige, salamat Diyos. And moving forward, before the close, before the